You've got your hands on the new UNV EasyStarter Kit. You're on site and your customer turns around and says they want more memory. Well, since you've got the right product that can offer extended memory on the spot, you can tell them yes. Let's walk through the few easy steps on how to upgrade your memory in your 𝗎𝙑𝗍 NVR that's in every UNV EasyStarter Kit. Remove the screws from the side and back of the device. Take the top casing off. You've already got a 2TB hard drive pre-installed, and you've got a spot here for a second hard drive. You will need to make sure the hard drive is facing the correct way so you can access the ports. Now we need to screw the hard drive into place. Insert the first 2 screws. You can now place the hard drive down and slide it into position. Make sure to hold the hard drive as you turn the NVR over and complete screwing the hard drive into place. Once that's done, flip it back over. You've got both of your hard drives in, but we need to connect that second one. We'll be using the HD Power 2 and HD 2 ports. Everything is secured and fully wired up. Now you can close it back up. And that's how simple it is to future-proof every installation and to add a second drive to your 𝗎𝙑𝗍 UNV NVR from the EasyStarter Kit.